Alright guys, good morning. So it's a little after 7 a.m. here. I just made an espresso. Now if this is your guys' first time to this channel, my name is Johnny. I do photo and video work professionally for a living, and I also have my YouTube channel where I make all sorts of types of videos. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what a typical morning for me might look like. So now that I got my coffee made, we can get this morning started. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So fun fact about me, I actually burn my mouth seriously on everything. So while my coffee is cooling down in the morning, I usually take Mocha for a walk. As you can tell, we still have a little bit of snow here in Ohio. It's finally melting, but for a couple weeks there, we were getting snow like every single day. So it's finally warming up a little bit. This morning it's only like 30 degrees, and honestly, I'll take it. Now, something that I've kind of recently added into my morning routine, if you guys can see, I have my AirPods in, cars are driving by, but I've been either listening to like a podcast in the morning if I'm in the right mindset. It just makes me feel a little bit more productive. But if I just am trying to kind of get in a good mood or get the morning started off on the right foot, I'll throw on some like Post Malone or Drake. That's what I was doing yesterday morning, and I swear it kind of just sets the tone for the whole day. All right, so pretty much every morning I kind of make this little supplement green cocktail, if you will, usually before I even hop into my coffee, honestly, especially because I'm trying to stay on my game in 2021. I try to take all this stuff daily. Now, if you guys haven't caught on yet in my channel, I am big into fitness. I love supplements, and it really is a part of my life, and especially part of my morning routine. So I figured why not kind of add this into my video, show you guys what I take on a daily basis. So that little greens cocktail right there, I put in my creatine in it every day. So I take 5 milligrams of this just with all the working out, keeping my muscles saturated with that. Then on to the next thing here, I have my green superfood powder. This one is made by Ghost. It is the lime flavor. It's probably the best tasting greens I've found yet. I would explain this as like the Earth's multivitamin. It's just a crazy amount of nutrients. It kind of just helps make sure I get everything in that I need to. And I don't know, just trying to stay healthy these days. Now this I recently just picked up, shout out to my girlfriend. It is a magnesium supplement. And I was actually just listening to a podcast the other day about how like 75% of people have a magnesium deficiency. It can help with a ton of things, everything from lowering your anxiety to muscle twitch, just all sorts of stuff and benefits. And honestly, it's pretty cheap, so I figure I kind of add it into my drink. And then a couple vitamins I take every day is vitamin D3, especially here in Ohio. We're not getting much sunlight right now, so this is honestly a huge mood enhancer. And then of course, I take a men's multivitamin as well, just to try to get everything in. And yes, gummy vitamins for life, okay? All right, bottoms up. This never gets much easier, to be honest. All right, hang on, you guys are still a little crooked here. All right, once I kind of have like the essentials out of the way, the next part of my morning is I usually come over here to my computer, bring my coffee with me. I'll either take a look at my calendar or I'll actually pull up this app that I use these days. Shout out to my girlfriend again for putting me onto this, but it's called Google Keep. It's basically just a to-do list. And on here I have kind of like my weekly to-dos, my daily to-dos. I have things to do for YouTube, just different ideas, or maybe the videos I'm working on that week. But this is honestly just one of my favorite parts of the day because I kind of just get a little bit of time to myself, which I didn't really used to do too much. I feel like I used to be on the schedule of I'd stay up so late working, I would wake up late, and then I'd just kind of feel rushed for the rest of the day. But kind of having a little bit of time in the morning to just sit down, actually enjoy my coffee, and kind of plan out what I have going on for the rest of the day has really made a big difference. Now, it's kind of funny, but something I'm starting to learn the larger my YouTube channel gets, which we're coming up on 8,000 subs. I think we might actually hit it today. So if you guys aren't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. But I've started to realize how much goes into a YouTube channel more than just actually making videos, because I've been making videos now for like 10, 12 years. But once you start trying to build an actual brand around your YouTube channel, there's a lot more that goes into it than just filming and editing videos. And something that's actually pretty exciting for me recently is my channel starting to get large enough. I'm getting a lot more business emails about different brands that want to collaborate or send me things to try out. And nothing too crazy yet, but it is pretty exciting that is even starting to happen for me. So that's actually how I got those nutsack backpacks in the recent video I did for what's in my tech bag video. And it's just really exciting because honestly, the business side of things is really fun for me, and it's kind of a whole new endeavor on top of just the video side of stuff. And also shout out to all of you, because without you guys, this wouldn't even be happening. I didn't have too much to get done there this morning, but you know what? I think it's breakfast time. You guys are actually in for a treat today. I'm gonna show you the world famous JHAWK protein waffles. Now I make these pretty much on a daily basis. It's a staple in my diet. I try to get a lot of protein in just for, I guess, my fitness goals. I'm gonna show you guys this recipe. It's legendary. All right, so this is kind of what we're working with here. This is the brand of protein waffle or pancake mix that I use. It's a brand called Krusteaz. I used to be all about Kodiak cakes, but honestly, this tastes way better. It doesn't taste as like dense and protein-like. So this is the blueberry flavor. The macros are incredible. So if you guys can find this, highly recommend. Next up, gotta add a little bit of milk. I just use this Fairlife fat-free. Again, the macros are incredible on that. And then I'll actually throw in a real half scoop of a protein powder just to get some more protein in. And then here's my secret. Instead of just adding 1 egg or no eggs, I actually add 2 eggs to my mix. A lot of times if you're making protein pancakes or protein waffles, they get really dense or really dry, or they just kind of taste overwhelmingly like protein and they're gross. But if you add in 2 eggs, it just kind of makes that mix taste better, more moist, I guess if you want to call it. But yeah, 2 eggs is my secret. And then I'm going to add in some chocolate chips because it's the weekend. And you know, why not? So yeah, right here, you're looking at the world famous JHAWK protein waffles. And these are incredible. Right, Mocha? I think she's over me filming right now. You have a late night, girl? All right, so these look delicious. Let me give you guys a quick little taste test. So good. So as I was saying, really no 2 days for me are the same. So this part of my day is kind of the first main block of kind of like set aside work time for me. So this could be editing a video if I have a video to edit, maybe shooting a video, maybe planning out a video. But actually what I'm gonna be working on today is pretty exciting because I did mention in my last video that I am gonna be moving here in not too long. So I actually took some photos of my new office in our apartment. And I'm kind of planning out how I want to arrange the office, if I want to get some different furniture, a different desk, or you know, what things am I going to take with me, basically just how I'm going to lay that space out. I love designing an office, I love desk setups, I love office setups, so definitely stay tuned to the channel because I want to show you guys officially around this space here in this office before I move out, so stay tuned for that. All right, so I'm going to enjoy these before they get cold. I'm gonna start working here for probably about another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. That gives me enough time to digest, get some good work done, and then I'll show you guys kind of my last step of what an ideal morning for me looks like. All right, so I think that's enough work for right now. So the last piece of my morning routine, or just kind of like what I try to get done every day, is to get a good workout in. So I'm actually already kind of dressed for the gym, but I got my gym bag right here, my Naka Power gym bag. I got one of my workout hats in here, shout out to Big E. I got my AirPods, obviously, because I always have my AirPods. And then the pre-workout I'm taking today. Like I said, supplements, it's a big passion of mine, a big part of my life, so why not, I don't know, share with you guys, maybe you'd be interested too. So the pre-workout I'm taking today is Ghost Legend. This is the blue lime flavor. This is a way throwback And this bottle is just sick, let's be honest. So yeah, getting a good workout in for me is honestly critical. It's definitely changed my life. It helps with everything from just how I feel every day to just my mental health, physical health, and I just feel like I have a lot more energy throughout the day. So getting a good workout in is really important to me. I try to get a good workout in probably like 4 to 5 times a week. And obviously, like I mentioned, some days are a little bit different for me, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what my ideal morning is like, especially if I have time. But things can be different during a work week or if I have a busy shoot over the weekend or things going on in my personal life. But I definitely try to have fitness and my health kind of at a forefront with everything I do, because honestly, if I feel better, it just kind of carries throughout everything that I'm doing in my day. But yeah, guys, that's really it as far as my morning routine goes. So I wake up, get some coffee in me, take Mocha for a nice long walk, maybe listen to a podcast or music to kind of get my mood in the right place. I'll have all my morning supplements, I'll eat some breakfast at some point, and I'll try to get some kind of like admin and creative work done. And then as long as I can and I kind of get my schedule right, I will get a good workout in as well. So yeah, guys, that's really my morning routine for 2021. So guys, if you stuck around this far into the video, you are the real MVP. I really appreciate it. Honestly, doing this type of content is a little different for me on my channel, and it's something I want to kind of bring more to the channel this year on top of the camera and tech and all those types of things. I just want to make the channel a little bit more personal, show you a little more behind the scenes on how I balance everything from a YouTube channel to a full-time creative job, personal life, dog, all that kind of stuff. And I really hope you guys enjoy watching it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys did enjoy this type of content. And also I am planning on at some point doing like a full day in the life. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that as well. But guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't want this to get too long, and I gotta take this pre-workout and get this workout going. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, will you please drop it a thumbs up? If you're new around here, consider hitting that sub button. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video very, very soon. Peace, guys.